back to 2020 when our lives took a standstill. Do you remember? We were all covered in face masks, our industries were shutting down, and our hospitals were overwhelmed. My mom, who's a cancer survivor, was considered high risk, and shortly after she fell sick. But this was not COVID. It was fear and isolation that inflamed her gut. She could barely eat, she lost a lot of weight, and grew weaker by the day. I could not sit back and watch. I began researching and experimenting and came up with a porridge flour blend that was easy to cook, gentle on her gut, and very nutritious. It had oats, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, cassava, and turmeric. We packaged it and sent it to her in Nakuru. This became the only food that she could eat for months, and she began to recover. This gave me a lot of hope. I packaged it, I called it Immune Booster Porridge Flour, took a photo, posted it on social media, and what happened next shocked me. We got so many inquiries, people asking for solutions for men, solutions for children with malnutrition, for diabetics, and that is how Mosoro was born. I am Magdalene, I'm the founder and CEO. At Mosoro, we package complex nutrition science into simple everyday foods that people actually want to eat because they're delicious. At Mosoro, we manufacture and sell porridge flours, edible oils, granola, nut butters, and healthy snacks. But you're more than just a food brand. We're your solution when you want to power your day, to fuel your fitness journey, and to sharpen your minds. In the last quarter, we've been able to grow our revenue by 60%. We have served over 1,000 households. To put that into context, that is about 10 times the number of people in this hall today. Our main sales channel is social media, where educational content and ads generate us over 300 leads in a day. We also partner with nutritionists who recommend our products to their patients. Now we are able to see that nutrition becomes the first line of care when people are looking for health and fueling their wellness journeys. So now let us take a moment and think about what we had for breakfast today. Was it just a filler, or did it actually empower your day? Chai and mkate does not have to be a staple in your home every day. We can do better with Mosoro. I'd like to invite you to the very first stand at the entrance and sample our products and learn how we can power your day, fuel your fitness journeys, and sharpen your minds.